Adding layers to your Convertri pages means you can create multiple screens on your site like pop-ups or product overviews. Think of them as overlays which you can show or hide on your page by configuring actions. To add a layer, click on the Layers button in the top toolbar to open up the Layers panel. Then click New Layer. Enter a name for your layer and click OK. When a layer has been successfully added to the page, a red check mark will appear on the Layers button. The Layers panel is where you'll be able to configure options for each of your individual layers. This is the Select or Deselect checkbox. Click it to select or deselect the layer. When the layer is selected, it becomes active and you can edit its contents. Your main page will still show through below, but you will be unable to edit it until you deselect the layer. Toggle Visible and Hidden to choose if a layer is visible or hidden on page load. If it's hidden and you want to make it appear later, you can do so by applying an action to this layer. Toggle Visible on Mobile to choose whether the layer will display on mobile devices or only on desktop. With Align, you can click to stick a layer to the top or bottom of the screen. In general, use relative to the bottom for things like sticky footers that you want permanently attached to the bottom of your viewer's screen, and relative to top for everything else. Note that layers relative to the bottom of the screen cannot be scrollable. Scrollable and unscrollable. Click this checkbox to make the layer able to be scrolled or fixed. This is especially important on mobile pages where the layer may be taller than the screen. With background, you can choose a background colour for your layer. And you can click and move this drag to reorder handle if you have multiple layers and want to change which one displays on top. Click the 3-button menu to display these options. Actions and Events sets layer level actions and events. Rename gives your layer a different name. Clone creates a duplicate of this layer. And Delete deletes your layer. Layers can contain the same elements as your main page. For example, you can create a pop-up containing a countdown timer for added urgency, or ask people to opt into your email newsletter with a form. The possibilities are endless. And by adding actions and events to your layer, you can configure elements on your layer to show or hide when triggered by user behavior or after an elapsed time.